Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Lovo Studio login issues, subscription and credit errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Lovo Studio due to subscription or credit errors, follow these steps. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure you're online. Open your web browser and navigate to the Lovo Studio login page. Enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. If you receive an error message, confirm that your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you can log in but see subscription or credit errors, go to your account settings. Check your subscription status to ensure it is active. If your subscription has expired, consider renewing your plan. If your payment method has issues, update your billing information in the Payments section. If you have sufficient credits but still face errors, try logging out and clearing your browser cache. Reopen your browser and log back into your Lovo Studio account. If issues persist, contact Lovo Studio support through their official help page. Provide them with details about the errors you are encountering. This information will help them resolve your issue more efficiently. Wait for their response, as they will guide you through any additional steps needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.